So today I'm going to show you how you can use a whole banana. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon because I'll be coming to you with many such useful videos. So we'll start with the ingredients. Let's take a jar, banana, 2 banana, raw milk and castor oil. If you don't have castor oil, don't worry, you can take coconut oil, banana peels and a knife. So before jumping to the video, let me quickly tell you some uses of banana peels. Rubbing a banana peel on your face can brighten your skin and it also helps in reduce wrinkles on the face. Strong antimicrobial and antioxidant properties which are associated with many health benefits. They also have a number of bioactive compounds such as carotenoids and polyphenols which have anti-inflammatory properties. They neutralizes free radicals in your hair to keep your hair strong and healthy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use banana peels as a good fertilizer for your plants. So let's quickly jump into the video. So first, we'll cut the bananas. The face mask, take your banana slices in the mixture jar and add some raw milk and grind them properly. Grind it in a mixie and separate the mixture in 2 bowls, one for face mask and one for hair mask. Add castor oil in hair mask. Castor oil in the mask will make your hair strong and the banana will make it shiny. Mix it properly and now you can apply this mixture on your hair. Now let's see how you can make a good fertilizer from banana peels. Take a scissor, cut all the peels in this jar. Now add some water. Keep this jar for at least 3 to 4 days in a shady place. So this is how it looks after 3 to 4 days. It's so rich in potassium, manganese, vitamin C. You just have to mix it in 2 liters of water and spray over the plants. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.